Good morning, students. Today we discuss a new chapter, problem solving. What is problem? Problem is a matter or situation regarded as harmful and need to be dealt with overcome is known as problem. Computer or a microprocessor is the main device nowadays which is used for finding the solution of any problem because of its speed and the way it can deal with data. Generally, problems are solved using some sort of programs or softwares using any computer programming languages. Problem solving cycle. There are three basic steps for solving any problem. First is analyze or define a problem. Second is design solution. And third is implement solution. Before before finding the solution of any problem, we must define what the problem is. First of all, we analyze the problem. First is analyze or define a problem. In almost every problem solving mythology, the first step is to define or identify the problem. It is the most difficult and most important step of all. It involves diagnosing the situation so that focus on the real problem and not on its symptoms. For example, if performance in any department is substandard, we might think the problem is with the individual submitting work. However, if we look a bit deeper, the real issue must be a lack of training or an unreasonable workload. As above example, same thing may happen with problem solving using computer programs. So before starting designing, problem must be thoroughly defined or analyzed. For the process of understanding the problem and then defining it on the basis of the following. First, the data requirement of the given problem, types of input a variable required, type of output a variable required is called problem definition. For example, we want to add three numbers, or suppose we want to create a calculator. So first of all, we analyze ki what kind of data we gives to a प्रॉब्लम. अर्थमेटिक है, इंटीजर है, फ्लोट, किस टाइप का डेटा हम अपनी प्रॉब्लम को देंगे और उस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए हम किस टाइप कैसे इनपुट वेरिएबल्स लेंगे और किस टाइप के हम आउटपुट वेरिएबल्स लेंगे फॉर सॉल्विंग दैट प्रॉब्लम. Suppose we are designing to solve an arithmetic problem and we are not familiar with the steps involved in solving that problem. In such a case, we will not be able to solve the problem. The same applied to writing a computer program. A computer programmer cannot write the instructions to be followed by the computer unless he knows how to solve that problem. जैसे सपोज़ आपको एक फैक्टोरियल का ही प्रोग्राम बनाना है. सपोज़ फैक्टोरियल है, हमें हमारी एक अर्थमेटिक प्रॉब्लम है. जब तक आपको स्टेप्स नहीं पता होंगे कि हाउ यू कैन फाइंड द फैक्टोरियल, आप एक नंबर का फैक्टोरियल कैसे फाइंड कर सकते हो, कैन नॉट राइट द प्रोग्राम. And what type of input you required for finding the way to finding the factorial, what logic, क्या लॉजिक होगा उसका, कैसा आउटपुट आएगा. तो जब तक आपको ये नहीं पता होगा, you can't give instructions to a program computer, or you cannot create a program. The first step in application development is problem definition. So before कोई भी ऐप या कोई भी प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट करने से फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी एनालाइज कि हमारी प्रॉब्लम क्या है, हमें क्या हमारा प्रॉब्लम है और क्या हमें उसका सॉल्यूशन चाहिए. The first step in application development is problem definition. In addition, a program source data, logical and practical procedure needed to solve the problem. This analysis must take place before actual preparation of program development. Otherwise, it will cause much cost and time. प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग साइकिल में सेकेंड स्टेप है डिज़ाइनिंग सॉल्यूशन. डिज़ाइन इज़ द प्रोसेस टू ट्रांसफॉर्म यूज़र रिक्वायरमेंट इन to some suitable form which helps the programmer in software coding and implementation. First of all हम प्रॉब्लम को एनालाइज करेंगे, हम आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे कि हमारा क्या प्रॉब्लम है. सेकंड स्टेप इज़ हम उसे डिज़ाइनिंग मीन्स कि हम उसे एक फॉर्म में ट्रांसफॉर्म करेंगे सो डैट वी कैन ईजिली help programmers to write code or implement that problem for finding the solution. Programming tools or program design tools are the tools used to develop a program. Following are some of them: algorithm and flows. Algorithm contain flowcharts and pseudocodes. Designing and what is algorithm? Algorithm is a step-by-step process for solving a problem. Or we can say that an algorithm is a plan, a logical step-by-step process for solving a problem. Algorithms are normally written as flowcharts or in pseudocodes as we study in the next level. So when designing an algorithm, there are two main areas to look at: the big picture, what is the final goal, means हमें what output we want, and what hurdles needed to overcome that on the way to goal, means उस goal को achieve करने के लिए क्या हमें hurdles cross करने हैं. ये these are the designing main areas of the algorithm. So this is all about problem solving, the design and the analyze phase. Tomorrow we will study about the flowcharts. Thank you.